Okay, what we're going to do today is change stock distributor with point systems and condenser into an electronic ignition with this igniter electronic ignition set. What this does is change this eye or brain, changes the points. This is the actual indicator that's going to go below the rotor, and it's a quick 20-minute change up. And this is all you need. Okay, to get things started, what we're going to do first is make an area to work in. So we're going to remove in this particular vehicle, the air cleaner. That way it gives us access to our distributor. What we'll do is let's disconnect our negative ground on our battery. Okay, that's that. Okay, then we're going to go over here back to the distributor, take the cap off. Okay, we're going to take the cap off, guys, and we're going to leave all the wires connected. Okay, this is really simple. We're just going to pick it up and bring it forward, get it out of our way so we can work. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is take the rotor off, set it aside. Okay, that's one. Now in this ignition setup here, if your distributor with the points has a resistor in it, in line, keep that coincided with your new ignition system. Don't disconnect or discontinue that. Leave it running with this new system. If you don't have it, then of course that's something we'll just not worry about. Okay, so I got 3 screws here. I'm working on my third one, and we'll have this out in 2 seconds here. Okay. Here's the third one, and we're going to take this wire harness assembly out, pull it through. Let's see if it comes through here. Well, let's see how. Okay, there we go. There. And here's the components: condenser and points. Okay. Here's the third one, and we're going to take this wire harness assembly out, pull it through. Let's see if it comes through here. Well, let's see how. Okay, there we go. There. And here's the components: condenser and points. Now it also states that in the instructions, save these components. If your electronic ignition ever goes out, or if you want to change it back, use the same components. It's really simple. Okay, so we're going to put these aside for now. We're going to grab this eye. Okay, this is going to slide right over the top shaft, and you're going to twist it until you feel it snap down. I don't know if you saw that. We'll do it one more time. Pick this up, you're going to turn it until it goes down. Okay, now that's locked in. Okay, that's done. So since this particular distributor housing does not allow us to feed these terminals through, we are going to take these off. There's plenty of wire on this harness for length. Okay, put those parts to the side. So from the inside of the distributor, going outward, you're going to feed one wire at a time. Let's see if we can get this through here. Now we're going to pull the excess through, and you can see on this harness there's a boot. This is what's going to seal the inside and the outside distributor from any debris coming in, just like a factory one. There's a groove here. We're going to pull it and seal it to this groove. Depending on your hole capacity, it'll be this first set here, which this one is going to be, or the more later models, we're going to have a bigger hole circumference, and this will seal it. So we're going to go to this one here. Let's finish connecting the brain. We're going to use this new screw, which is in the kit. Okay, and you have a ground that's in this distributor from your old. You're going to reconnect this ground as well. So with this one screw, you're going to put it into this hole for the ground, and you're going to put it into the base of this new electronic eye. We want to tighten it down. Okay, we're going to snug it up but not make it 100% tight yet. Okay, so we still have movement by hand. Okay, I took off the sensor so I get to my screw, so I'm going to twist this back on, make sure it's down all the way. Also in your kit, next step would be this clear gauge. It's a 30 thousandths plastic gauge. You put it between the round sensor and your electronic eye. Okay, so that's what we have our adjustment for. You want to stand it straight up, put it here in between. See, pick that up, and then you're going to slide the eye forward. And then at that point, you tighten your eye. Okay, that completes that. Next step is we put the stock rotor back on. Okay, same spot, points the same way. We go back and we are going to reinstall our distributor cap. Re-snap it. There you go. That's complete. Gonna feed that in there. Make sure it's all the way in. We're gonna crimp down. That's one. Next one, same thing. Feed it through. Make sure it feeds all the way through. Crimp down. Done. Okay guys, if you've ever done any electrical, really simple. Red is positive, black is negative. Never fails. So we put on, let me see here, with our coil, on this side you can't see, but we have a connection here and a connection here. This is our negative side, this is our positive side. So of course negative will go to the black. Okay, and then our positive will go to the positive side. Okay. Last stage is what we're going to do. Screws, which are going to screw on and hold this, the two connections. And that pretty much, guys, sums this whole thing up. As simple as that. Turn the key on, and it's a runner. There's no timing. There's no putting your piston, number one piston, top dead center. It's really cut and dry and simple to do.